One of the biggest mistakes we made when we installed our first set of solar panels was one that a lot of people make. Let's talk about it. This particular array has 4 220 watt solar panels, and they put out some pretty good power. During certain times of the day when the sun is straight above us around noon or so, these panels will max out. Unfortunately, because they are pointed west, we don't get a lot of full sun on them, and we're not meeting our maximum charging capability. All solar arrays are, at least in the northern hemisphere, are supposed to be pointed at true south. Well, we figured we know which way the sun comes up and which way it goes down. You cut it in the center and you move on. Well, we're off by about 90 degrees in this particular array. You wouldn't think pointing your panels would be all that big a deal, but with solar power, every little bit you can get, every watt you can milk out of those panels is a big deal. Solar is expensive. It's not cost effective, regardless of what you hear on TV. It's very, very expensive. Now, that may change in coming years with the high cost of energy, but we'll see. What we like about it is because we have, let's just say, inclement weather in many severe forms, it's nice to have power when it's 100 degrees outside or it's 14 outside. It's kind of handy. You would think north would just be north, but that's not how it works. There's actually 2 different norths that we're going to work with. When you break out your trusty compass, you're looking at magnetic north. Magnetic north will not work in many parts of the northern hemisphere, which is primarily what I'm talking about. This is a temporary placement of one of our really small arrays, but nonetheless, it has to be pointed in the right direction. These are, I believe these are 180s, and so we need to get as much out of them as possible. Here where I live in the middle of the United States, magnetic north and true north are not really that much different. But if I was, say, in California or New York, it would make a big difference. The difference between true north, which is the actual pole of the planet, and magnetic north, depending on where you're at, can be off by as much as maybe, say, 30 degrees. But the difference is called the declination. If your panels are off just a little bit, it can really throw your wattage off. And you're trying to charge a battery, you have a limited amount of sunlight every day to do that, so you can store it throughout the night. So you need to ensure you're milking every watt you can get. So let's try to get this thing truly south to true south. When you open the compass up and look at it, this is a lensatic compass, you are going to see the red hand. The red hand is pointing due north. So let's spin this puppy around so that we are pointing due north with it. Now, if I look at my solar panel, we're pretty close. Let's look at the other one. Again, pretty close. Okay, I cheated. I had them in the wrong direction and I changed them, and it made a huge difference, about 30%. One of my other arrays was not quite so easy to move. It's on top of that hay feeder over there. That's a project for this winter. We've got to move all these and get them in the one single array and get everything straight and around. A couple of things to remember. You need to make sure your solar panels are pointed in true south, which is 180 degrees from true north. To find true north, you can actually do that on your phone. Bring up the compass app, and at least on iPhones, there's a setting for magnetic north or true north. Until next time, see you down at the barn.